Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. I've come up with a great news. So TCS, they have once again announced their TCS Smart Hiring. Okay, now this time it is called Ignite and Smart Hiring for the BSc graduates. Now this is for two batches, 2023 and 2024. Now in this video, I'll be sharing the important dates, the hiring categories and the offer amount, and the eligibility criteria, the test pattern, and also like how to apply. Now first, the important dates. The registration is already open. The last day to register is 24th of June 2024, but please do not wait until the last day to register, because now this exams will be happening in a physical mode. So you will be going to one of the TCS ION centers and writing the exam. Okay, and so that is allotted based on a first come first serve basis. Okay, now let's say you want to appear in Chennai, and if all the Chennai slots are over, then you may be put in another city. Okay, so you may not always get the city of your choice if you apply late. Okay, so just apply as early as possible, do not delay on this. And the test date they have not announced, but you can expect it towards the end of July. Okay, the 4th week of July you can expect the test date, and 2 or 3 days before the exam only you will get the admit card. Okay, so usually they send it only like 2 or 3 days before, right? So this is regarding the important dates. Now coming to the eligibility, okay, so before eligibility criteria, I'll share the hiring categories. So there are two categories, two CTCs that are offered. For the Ignite category, the CTC offered is 2.8 lakhs. For the Smart category, the CTC offered is like 1.9 lakhs per annum, right? Now they are saying that if you perform well in 1 or 2 years, your salary can go up to 2.5 times. Okay, so that is, if you start with 2.8, okay, your salary could reach 7 lakhs in 2 years is what they are saying. Okay, right. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, so who are eligible to apply? 2023 and 2024 batch, 3 degrees are eligible. Okay, BCA, BSc and BVoc. In BSc, the eligible branches are IT, computer science, mathematics, data science, statistics, physics, chemistry, electronics, cybersecurity, and biochemistry. So these are the branches eligible. And in BVoc, CSE and IT eligible. Okay, now this is from 2023 and 2024, which I said earlier as well. Okay, a minimum of 50% throughout in 10th, 12th, and graduation. Minimum 50% is expected. And as regarding the current arrears, right, as far as 2023 batch, they should not have any current arrears, and for 2024 a maximum of 1 active backlog, 1 current arrears is permitted, and there should not, I mean, as far as gap in education is concerned, a maximum of 2 years is permitted. And as far as extended education, the current course, okay, so let's say it's the BSc course, you should have completed in 3 years, and only full-time courses are permitted. Part-time and correspondence is not permitted. Only exception is during schooling, secondary and senior secondary. If you are from NIOS, then that's okay, right? And upper age limit is 28 years, and this hiring does not require any work experience, and this is an entry level requirement. And also this is a massive pan-India hiring. Okay, so that's why the centers are not given. I mean, where you'll be working is not given, because this is a pan-India hiring. It's a massive hiring for the BSc, BCA and BVoc graduates. Okay. Now regarding the test pattern, now all the preparatory videos are available in our channel. All the preparatory resources links are provided in the description below. So in our channel, we have videos related to TCS numerical ability and TCS reasoning ability. As for verbal ability, we have a test practice platform. Okay, so link to the TCS verbal questions are given in the description below. You can make use of it from there. And coding questions are provided in our Telegram channel. It is available in the PDF format. You can download and see. Okay, so the test duration is like 2 hours. Okay, they have 4 sections, of which coding is optional. So coding, you can solve it in one of the languages like Python or C, C++, Java or Perl. And then other than that you have, coding is optional. Then you have like numerical, verbal and reasoning regarding the test pattern. Now those who qualify this written test will be called for the interview, and in an interview you can expect questions from your own background. Okay, so whatever is your background, you can expect questions from there mostly. And then like so basics of computers, internet, and then a little bit of like what is your idea on programming and all that. But more importantly, you should be strong in your own subject, whatever subject that you may be hailing from. Okay, now this is regarding the test pattern. Now I'll tell you like how to register. I have provided in the description below. You can click on that link after watching this video. Now once you click on that link, if you are already registered, okay, then you can you can use your email ID and password, and then log in and then update your application and then apply for this particular drive. Now if you are registering for the first time for this hiring, you have to definitely register only in the IT category, okay, not BPS. If you have a BPS profile, you have to delete it. So you have to register only in the IT category. So once you click on this IT, then so you have basically 3 steps. One is the basic Nextstep portal registration, and then filling the application form, and then applying for this drive. Now in the basic Nextstep portal registration, you have to fill in your name. Aadhaar is mandatory, okay, all the details should match Aadhaar, date of birth, your Aadhaar number, date of birth, gender, email ID, mobile number, okay, your institution of last study or qualification, year of passing 2023 or 2024, all this, and then password you have to give. And then once you complete the registration, you will get a mail to your registered email. From there you can click on the link and then open the portal for filling the application, okay. So usually the username is they give you an ID, or you can use your email as a username, and then password is the password that you set. Once you log in for the second time, you can complete the application form, wherein you have to fill in your personal details, your academic and work experience. Of course, for this, work experience is not required, your languages, known achievements, certifications and all that, and then finally preview it and then click on the declaration. So in the personal details, you will be filling your address and contact details. In the academic details, your 10th, 12th and graduation marks, and then if you have any experience, you can share, otherwise anyhow experience is not required. Then you have to fill in your nationality and language, your achievements, scholarship, certifications, etc. Then you have to upload your latest photograph and latest CV in the prescribed format, okay. So format is prescribed, you have to fill in accordingly, right. And then you have to apply for this particular test, okay. So you have to choose in center. That's the only choice available, so you have to choose in center, and then you have to choose the center of your choice. But as I said in the beginning, center of your choice may not be always allotted to you finally, okay. But anyhow, initially you can fill in the center of your choice, okay. Then finally, after you complete your application, if you are eligible, okay, it will show apply for drive, okay. Now you should click on apply for drive, and then finally when you track your application, the status should reflect as applied for drive. Now this part I'll show you, okay. So after you complete your application, if you are eligible, you will get this apply for drive in the left side top corner, okay. You will get this apply for drive, then you have to click on this apply for drive. Now after you click on this apply for drive, your status should reflect as applied for drive. Now that means your application has reached TCS, right. Now if there is if you are not getting it, maybe you are not eligible, or if you think you are 100% eligible, then you recheck all the details that you have entered. If you still face a problem, okay, you can mail to the ILP support at tcs.com, okay. So this is regarding how to apply. Now with this I come to the end of this video. I hope the information that I have provided here was useful to you. If you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section here. Now if you like this video, please click on the like button, share it with your friends who may need it. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.